Nama saya Azizah binti Bermakna, umur saya 48 tahun. Saya duduk dengan anak saya 4 orang. Ya, anak saya ada anak seorang anak istimewa.
我练惯，我不想会，我行袂正远，行路会行，你说去楼骹就爱休息一下。
We have a very elderly population here in Queenstown. It is a very closely knit community and many people have been living here for years. Today's project, we are going into the homes of many residents who have difficulty in maintaining the homes, either keeping it clean or at the same time perhaps making simple repairs.
We are
So today we are actually conducting an upcycling workshop. So over here we are getting the residents of Queenstown to actually bring down their trash, old t-shirts as well as plastic bottles. So over here we are actually teaching them how to upcycle all these items. For the t-shirts, they will conduct a simple craft session to make them into a tote bag for them to use in their daily marketing and going out. And then for the bottles, we actually teach them how to make them into receptacle to put maybe household items or kitchen utensils.
I think CSR plays a very important part for Resorts World Sentosa. All of us are really very serious about committing one day of our work. And I think it's a very meaningful thing for all of us to do.
When we moved around the house, when we saw the kitchen, there were also a lot of dirty dishes. It was too much to take it at that point. As fellow human beings, we just wonder how people can live in such conditions. I hope we can make her happy. I mean, if it means that we help the family to turn their life around somehow, I think that would be very good for them.
After leaving their house, their homes, we see all these things in good working condition. I think that's a very great sense of accomplishment.
For people who are volunteering, it's good for them to be open-minded, to see for themselves the different members of the community that is living in different situations like us, and to help appreciate and learn from them even as we are helping them.
Just come and join us, help someone in need, and give back to the society.
Saya rasa bersyukur kerana ada orang yang membantu saya, membersihkan rumah saya, dan saya rasa bangga dan bahagia, gembira pasal rumah saya telah nampak cantik. Nampak orang kata lagi bersih daripada yang lalu lah. Maybe Allah akan membalas jasa-jasa diorang.
RWS leaders, RWS staff also engage with our residents in many fun-filled activities, facilitating, providing time off for the staff to come and do it all together. So thank you so much, RWS, for doing what you do. Thank you for making a difference to the lives of our residents.
Today is awesome,
Meaningful,
happy,
Fun,
fulfilling,
Xiong,
excited, awesome!